In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom with OBS for streaming. This process can open up a whole new range of possibilities for enhancing your online meetings or presentations, allowing you to integrate more creative or professional content directly into Zoom. Let's dive in and get started. To begin, we'll start by navigating to the Zoom website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Zoom URL. Once there, you'll need to locate the Sign In option. You'll find this in the top right corner of the screen. Click on it and proceed to log in using your credentials. This will grant you access to all of your personal Zoom settings and meetings. Now you're ready to join the meeting where you want to utilize OBS. Go to your scheduled meeting on Zoom. You can find your meetings under the Meetings tab once you're logged in. Select the appropriate meeting and click to join or start it, depending on whether you are the host or a participant. Make sure you have your OBS studio set up and ready to go beforehand, as this is crucial for the next steps. Once you're in the meeting, direct your attention to the bottom left side of your Zoom window. Here, you'll see an icon resembling a video camera with a small arrow next to it. This is where you'll be selecting your video source. Click on this arrow and a drop-down menu will appear displaying a list of available camera sources connected to your computer. From this drop-down list, you'll now need to find and select OBS Virtual Camera as your camera source. By doing so, Zoom will start pooling its video data directly from whatever you have set up in OBS. This means you can now broadcast content from your OBS setup directly into your Zoom meeting. This integration allows you to stream creative layouts, screen shares, or even your own webcam with additional effects directly into Zoom, giving you more flexibility and control over your presentations or interactions. And there you have it, a seamless connection between OBS and Zoom that empowers you to bring your creative vision to life even during virtual meetings. Remember to check your internet connection and system compatibility to ensure everything runs smoothly. If any issues arise, revisiting the setup process can help you troubleshoot specifics related to either Zoom or OBS. Thanks for following along with this guide. Now you're equipped to make your Zoom meetings not just functional, but visually engaging and professional thanks to the power of OBS. Don't hesitate to experiment with layouts and effects to enhance your presentations even further. Happy streaming!